open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Pull the hose off the catch to disengage it. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the hose clamp before disengaging. Disengage the fasteners. Remove the old filter and clean out the excess debris in the housing. Make sure the tabs are secure in their catch. Insert your new filter into the housing. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the hose clamp. Retighten the hose clamp. Reinstall the sensor. Reinstall the hose onto the clip. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.